Hello, good morning everyone. I am here once again to discuss with you about another important topics in Microsoft Excel, which I know that it will really help you in customizing or editing your data in Microsoft Excel. So I'll be presenting two ways of changing letter cases of your data. First is using function to change the letter case of your, or using function name in Microsoft Excel to change the letter case of your documents or data. So there are three functions na gagamitin natin in MS Excel: proper, upper, and lower. And the next one is we can customize the letter case of a letter using the shortcut command Shift F3, pero gagawin po natin siya sa Microsoft Word. So there are three special functions to change text of case. So Microsoft Excel has three special functions that you can use to change the case of text. They are upper, lower, and proper. So what are the function? Ano ba yung mga function or special functions na tinatawag nating upper function? So when we say upper function, this allows you to convert all lowercase letters into a string to uppercase. So, ito yung ginagamit to convert our data automatically to capital letters. So, the lower function, with the use of lower as the function name, ito po yung function name niya. It is used to helps or convert the text from upper to lower or small letters, from proper to small letters. So, proper function makes the first letter of each word capitalized. So, the first letter of each letter is capitalized and the remaining is small. So, itong lahat na options na to, all these three options work on the same principle. So, para-parehas lang po yung procedures on how you are going to work with using this three function name in order to change the letter case. So, I'll show you later on kung paano nga ba talaga ginagamit. So, let us take this example. So, we have here an example of name. So, Maricel, in uppercase, ito po yung proper case niya. Sabi natin, proper or sentence case, first letter is capitalized and the remaining is small. So, we also have here lowercase, yung lahat na letters niya mo maliliit. Another one is uppercase, lahat po is malalaki. So, how do we change letter case using MS Word? So, paano ba natin ginagamit yung MS Word? In order for the data in Microsoft Excel, ma-convert po siya kung ano yung gusto natin, depending on the required formatting of our data to be created. So, sabi dito, use Shift F3 to change the letter case. So, nakalagay din, if you don't want to mess with formulas in Excel, you can use a special commands for changing the text in each or the letter case in Word. So, feel free, sabi dito, feel free to discover how this method works. So, later on, you are going to see, I'm going to show you, papakita natin kung paano ba talaga nakakatulong yung Shift F3 natin at saka yung function name na upper, lower, and proper para mapalitan po yung formatting ng ating documents. So, but before that, huwag niyo pong kalimutan, if you like this video, just click subscribe, like and share, and please don't forget to hit the bell button para ma-notify po kayo ng mga newest video natin na ipopost po natin sa ating channel. So, sabi natin, practice makes a person's perfect. So, we have here dream. So, if we have our aspirations, pag inisip natin na kaya natin at ginawa natin, ibig sabihin, maa-achieve po natin yung gusto natin. So, ang importante, I already gave you yung procedures, yung skills. It's up to you to apply this. So, marami pa akong i-send na mga videos para po mas matulungan po kayo na in my own little way, ma-improve nyo po yung skills nyo sa computer na pwede po natin gamitin, especially kung gusto natin magkaroon ng sariling negosyo, or we can use this pag meron na po tayong trabaho. So, let us first demonstrate using the function name. I-demonstrate po natin yung una, list of names na may using the upper, lower, and proper. So, I have here, in column A, gumawa po ako ng mga lista ng pangalan. So, dito sa column B, nilagyan ko po ng label na lower kasi dito po tayo gagawa ng mga formulas using the lowercase function name. And number 3, um, upper or capitalized. C, nandito rin po. And letter D, we also use this one as ito po yung gagawa natin ng formula natin using the proper function. So this time, we will try now. Sabi natin on our previous discussion, creating formula, sabi natin, always start your equation with an equal sign. So, laging iisipin na when you start an equation using Microsoft Excel, always start your equation with an equal sign. So, followed by the function name, to change into lower is lower. Yung function name niya. Followed by an open parenthesis, and then, since Bermejo Maricel B is nakalagay sa column A and row 2, ilalagay po natin A2 as the cell address and then close parenthesis. So, we derive equal sign, lower, open parenthesis, cell address A2, and then close parenthesis, and then enter. So, on the first formula, we use the lowercase, we type the function name using the lowercase. So, this time, we are going to try typing the function name in uppercase. So, let's see kung meron po bang effects o naaapektuhan ba yung result nung formula natin right after we enter it. So, this time, we will be converting yung names niya. And then, Fajardo Ronelsi, convert it to lower. So, the cell address is A3, close parenthesis, and then enter. So, automatically, hindi naman pala affected. Nakita nyo po yun. It does not matter. It doesn't matter kung yung pagkakasulat natin ng function name in different letter case, it doesn't matter. So, using the autofill command, so we will just drag it para makuha natin yung result ng conversion ng mga names, ng proper names into lowercase. So, ito po yung na-derive natin. So, let us shift naman into another function name. So, we will be using upper as the function name to convert the text into capital letters. So, equal sign ulit. So, ilagay natin upper, open parenthesis, Bermejo, and then close parenthesis, and then enter. So, automatically, nagawa natin. So, guys, I hope na natutunan po natin yung procedures kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng formula. Ulit-ulit lang ang importante po, tama yung procedures at mga function names na gagamitin natin para makaderive po tayo ng tamang formula na gamit po yung Microsoft Excel. So, this time, we will try to change naman. Sabi natin, this is one procedure. Another procedure is we will be using Microsoft Excel. So, gagawa po tayo ng blank muna. Open tayo ng Microsoft Word and then create a blank document. So, dito natin ika-copy yung data na galing po sa Microsoft Excel. So, bubuksan po natin yung data na galing po sa Microsoft Excel. Ang purpose natin is to convert this text na hindi po tayo gagamit ng function name or formula para ma-change natin yung letter cases ng mga data natin dito. So, what we are going to do, open yung data in Microsoft Excel, choose the names or the data we want to convert it to different case, and then copy po using Ctrl-C. And then, open nyo po natin yung Microsoft Word. Ctrl-V. I-paste po natin yung pangalan. And automatic, nandito na po yung name. Ang gagawin po natin is highlight. Highlight the names of the names. Tapos po, sabi natin, use Shift F3 to convert. So, tingnan natin. Una, we converted it into uppercase. So, continuous lang. So, pangalawa, lowercase. Pangatlo, so, yan po. Automatic, makukonvert po natin using the lowercase. So, copy lang po. Babalik po tayo dito sa Microsoft Excel and then ipipaste lang natin yung ginawa nating pag-convert. So, automatically, nakita nyo po yung procedures ng pag-change ng letter case using MS Word. Yung una po nating diniscuss is gumamit tayo ng function name to convert the names into three different cases. So, lowercase, upper, and proper. So, pangalawa, we demonstrated using MS Word. Una, yung ginawa natin, i-copy yung pangalan, nilagay po natin dito sa MS Word, and we just simply click Shift F3 to change the letter K. So, I hope guys, naintindihan po natin yung discussion, and sana makompare nyo po among the two options, alin ba yung mas madaling gamitin. Kung alin yung mas madali para sa inyo, yun ang gagamitin natin. Kasi I'm sure, mas mapapadali at madami po tayong magagawa out of our knowledge in Microsoft Excel. So, I hope guys na may nakuha po kayong learnings from our discussion. And if you like this video po, huwag kalimutan like and share, and para po ma-notify po kayo for the next video na. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned something from it. If you like and this video, just click the like button and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the button for more video notification. Thank you so much, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.